Immerse yourself in the riveting sphere of HR certification today as we delve into the SHRM BoCK, the Society for Human Resource Management body of competency and knowledge. This is your roadmap to success in the HR profession, equipping you with behavioral competencies and HR knowledge domains. Behavioral competencies are the essential skills that make an HR professional shine: leadership, ethical practice, business acumen, and more. HR knowledge domains, on the other hand, are the areas of expertise that every HR professional should master: people, organization, workplace dynamics, and strategic thinking. But the SHRM BoCK doesn't stop there. Each domain hosts a plethora of knowledge areas and subdomains for you to become proficient in. Why is this crucial? It's the bedrock for the SHRM certification exams, like the SHRM CP and SHRM SCP. So, if you're preparing for these exams, it's time to dive into the SHRM BoCK. Keeping pace with the dynamic HR landscape, the SHRM BoCK is updated regularly. So whether you're an established HR professional or an aspiring one, visit the official SHRM website for the latest version of the SHRM BoCK and a wealth of resources to turbocharge your professional development and certification prep. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. This is SHRM HR Practice Tips, signing off.